Hello guys, good evening. My name is Elfredo, episode 32. I will tell you about how to use Elfmeter. Okay, there are two kind of Elfmeter. The first is Elfmeter analog and second is Elfmeter digital. But I have Elfmeter analog, so I will tell you about how to use Elfmeter analog. There are four selectors. The first is Multimeter selector, second is DC amper selector, third is DC volt selector, and the fourth is AC volt selector. Okay, I will tell now about how to calibration the ohm selector first. Okay, first we use this sector in the 1K or 10 or 1. It depends on your measure. Okay, if you want to choose 1K, so to first is gather the probe like this, so we could see the scale. When the scale is not point at 0, could turn the adjustment to right or left till it point at 0. Okay, when it point at 0, it means it calibrated. Okay, if you want to use 10 or 1, we should do calibration again. Okay, if you want to use this ampere, we to measure ampere of circuit, the DC volt, we could measure battery or EQ, and the AC volt is to measure PLN. There is a buzzer selector. We could use this if we to check the circuit or cable and so on. If we want to measure resistors, we could use ohmmeter selectors. So if you want to measure a resistor, it depends the value of resistor. So this is the scale of resistor 500 till to 0. This is the scale for ohmmeter selectors, and the second is for DC volt, and you could measure the battery. Yeah, we could measure the battery like this. We put the red probe in the positive and the black probe in the negative, so it point at 1.35 for DC volt. So this is the voltage in this battery. Okay, in battery we could use DC volt, and how to take the AC volt. We could use the 250 for the PRN. The PRN voltage is about 220 till 230, 220 and till 230. Information could be damaged if we put the wrong selector. Like you want to check the voltage in PRN, but you use DC volt, it will goes wrong because it could be damaged the Elfredo. Okay, thank you for your attention. That's how to use Elfredo analog. Thank you. Good evening.